बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे फरवरी 25 2024 के अखबार में। मिसलेनियस की जॉब है। कराची पोर्ट ट्रस्ट, गेटवे टू पाकिस्तान, अ ग्रेट हेरिटेज, अ वाइब्रेंट फ्यूचर, पोजीशन वैकेंट, फरवरी 2024। Serial number 1, name of post and scale, pilot, BPS 19, name of post 6, qualification and experience, master mariner, foreign going ships duly endorsed under STCW convention 1995 with at least 3 years command experience on board sea going vessels and 5 years as mate / chief officer. Age limit 45 years, regional / provincial quota, merit 6. Serial number 2, gynecologist, BPS 19, number of posts 1, qualification and experience, FCPS, FRCOG, MRCOG or American Board Diplomat, postgraduate, diploma having 15 years experience, age 45 years, merit 1. अच्छा, उसके बाद है 3 second engineer, BPS 18, number of post 2, valid first class certificate of competency, motor / diesel duly endorsed under STCW convention 1995 with 5 years watch keeping and maintenance of diesel engines experience on board marine crafts after acquiring of first class certificate of competency or 5 years with reputable marine workshop. Age limit 40 years, regional / provincial quota, merit 2. Number 4, mechanical engineer, BPS 18, number of posts 1, qualification and experience, BE bracket में लिखा हुआ mechanical from recognized university or valid first class certificate of competency, bracket में लिखा हुआ diesel duly endorsed under STCW convention 1995 with 5 years practical experience in mechanical engineering works, experience in mechanical engineering work in a reputable organization or 5 years watch keeping and maintenance of diesel engines experience on board marine crafts after acquiring of first class COC. Age limit for it 40 years, merit 1. 5, tug commander, BPS 18, number of post 5, valid 6 class 2 deck certificate of competency of chief mate duly endorsed under STCW convention 1995 with 3 years experience of sailing on board foreign going ship as mate. Age limit 40 years, merit 5. Number 6, assistant surgeon, BPS 18, number of post 1, postgraduate, fellowship such as FCPS bracket में लिखा हुआ in surgery, FRCS at least 2 years experience or MBBS with 7 years experience in clinical surgery. Age limit for it 40 years, merit 1. Number 7, pathologist, BPS 18, number of post 1, FCPS or MPhil in pathology or postgraduate diploma in pathology with 15 years experience. Age limit 40 years, merit 1. 8, second officer, BPS 17, number of posts 3, valid class 2/3 certificate of competency bracket में लिखा हुआ nautical duly endorsed under STCW convention 1995, must have attended IMO approved maritime courses with 3 years experience as second mate on board sea going vessels. Age limit 35 years, merit 1, Punjab 1, Balochistan 1. 9, third engineer, BPS 17, number of post 4, valid second class certificate of competency bracket diesel / motor bracket close duly endorsed under STCW convention 1995 with 2 years watch keeping and maintenance of diesel engines experienced on board marine crafts or 2 years with reputable marine workshop. Age limit 35 years, merit 1, Punjab 1, Sindh 1, Balochistan 1. 10, assistant electrical engineer, BPS 17, number of post 5, BE electrical from recognized university with 1 year practical experience in electrical engineering works in a reputable organization. Age limit 35 years, merit 1, Punjab 2, Sindh R1, KPK 1. 11 sonologist, the BPS 17. 01 post MBBS 6 months ultrasound training course from institute/hospital recognized by PMDC, 3 years post qualification experience in sonology in a reputable hospital. Age limit 35 years, merit 1. 12 medical officer BPS 17. 5 MBBS with 2 years experience including 1 year's house job. Age limit 35 years, merit 1. Punjab to Sindhar 1, Sindhu 1. इलेवन पढ़ ली थी मैंने. सोनोलॉजिस्ट MBBS 6 months अल्ट्रासाउंड. नंबर 12 मेडिकल ऑफिसर BPS 17. 05 post MBBS with 2 years experience including 1 year's house job. 35 years age, merit 1. Punjab 2, Sindhar 1, Sindhu 1. 13 assistant doc master BPS 1701. Second mate certificate of competency or equivalent with at least 3 years experience as second mate on board seagoing vessels. 35 years, merit 1. 14 marine engineer BPS 1701. MOT class 2 with valid certificate of competency duly endorsed under STCW convention 1995 with 2 years relevant experience. 35 years age, merit 1. 15 assistant manager HRM/HRD BPS 1702. BBA with 2 years experience in HR administration in government, semi-government or any other of any other organization of repute in a responsible position. 35 years, merit 2. 16 assistant manager stores BPS 1702. BBA or BSc in physics and math with at least 3 years experience in material management and having through knowledge of principles and practices relating to procurement, purchases, stores keeping and accounting in a government/semi-government or any other organization of repute. 35 years age, Punjab 1, Sindhar 1. 17 assistant state manager 01 post MBA/MPA or BE civil with at least 2 years experience of dealing with state matters in government/semi-government or any other. 35 years age, Punjab 1. 18 traffic officer BPS 17. 1 number of post 1 MBA fresh or BBA with major interest in operational planning and statistics or equivalent qualifications with 2 years experience in cargo handling in ports and railways. 35 years age, Sindhar 1. 19 assistant hydrographer BPS 16. 01 post graduate with 2 years experience of post hydrographic survey having experience of operating CAD post PRO NOV PDS 100 HIPAC and DTPS software. 33 years age, merit 1. Note: number 1 general age relaxation of 5 years is already clubbed. Allowances as admissible under KPT rules. Age relaxation to the categories as per government instructions will also be applicable. Post is on contract for a period of 3 years extendable. 10% for women, 5% for minorities and 2% for disabled persons will be observed. Candidates with disability shall have to submit a registration सर्टिफिकेट ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ एज डिसेबल्ड सिटीजन granted by federal/provincial government. Number 6 government servants are required to apply through proper channel and should produce NOC at the time of interview. Number 7 incomplete application ब्रैकेट में लिखा है without CNIC educational documents, domicile, experience certificates, pay order or NOC if applicable ब्रैकेट close. ETC will not be entertained. 8 applications received after due date will not be entertained. 9 envelope to be marked with the name of post. 10 Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview. 11. The organization reserves the right to cancel the process of recruitment of advertised posts partially or totally at any stage. 12. Application form is available on Karachi Port Trust KPT websites www.kpt.gov.pk. Download the application form and send your application duly filled in by email or courier along with detailed biodata, CV and attested photocopies of testimonials/documents in support of qualification, post qualification experience, date of birth, one recent passport size photograph, one copy of CNIC and ₹100. Pay order ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है नॉन रिफंडेबल इन फेवर ऑफ चीफ अकाउंट ऑफिसर so as to reach within 15 days of application of this advertisement to manager human resources development Karachi Port Trust KPT. 13. Application received without mail or courier will not be entertained. 14. No TA/DA shall be paid for test/interview. Conversing with will disqualify. For further information, contact Manager Human Resources Development Karachi Port Trust Head Office Building EduLife Dinshaw Road. EDU ये क्या लिखा हुआ है EDU EDWEE Dinshaw DINSHAW रोड कराची. टेलीफोन नंबर है 0219921437 0219921437. एक और PTCL नंबर है 0219921450 0219921450 240 एक्सटेंशन 2388. वेबसाइट्स www.kpt.gov.pk www.ppra.org.pk www.moma.gov.pk एंड www.njp.gov.pk. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.